Today we're taking a closer look at the 20mm billet aluminum hub-centric wheel spacers for the 1994 to 2014 Mustangs. If you're looking to push your wheels out for a wider stance, eliminate tire clearance issues, or improve handling and some aesthetics, these spacers are a practical and high-quality solution. These 20mm spacers effectively push your wheel out nearly a full inch per side, expanding your track width for better road presence and improved cornering stability. They're especially helpful if you're dealing with tire or brake clearance issues, or you want to change up your wheel offset without upgrading your wheels entirely. Being true hub-centric spacers, they align perfectly with your wheel's hub bore, minimizing the chances of wheel vibration and reducing stress on the lug nuts and studs. The studs are durable for added strength and torque retention, ensuring safe performance under load and maintaining the same bolt pattern so your wheels go right back on without needing to change anything up. These spacers are precision machined using CNC equipment to maintain tight tolerances and fitment accuracy, and the billet aluminum construction keeps weight low while providing strength and stiffness, critical for maintaining proper wheel alignment and minimizing added weight. Now, as far as the pricing goes, these are coming in right around that mid $100 price range, making it a cost-effective upgrade for those enthusiasts who want a visual and performance improvement without needing a full wheel and tire replacement. Alright, when it comes to the install on this, it's very easy and straightforward, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have them installed in just 30 minutes of your time. They're going to bolt directly to the existing hub studs with no modifications needed. Now let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
Okay, parts you will need for the install is a 21mm lug wrench, a jack, and we're using jack stands as well. All right, welcome. We're going to be installing the 20mm billet aluminum hub-centric wheel spacers. Ours are going on a 2007 V6 Mustang. First thing we have to do is actually remove the rims. We have to use a special adapter. Most of y'all vehicles will just have the standard lug nuts on the vehicle. All right, next thing we're gonna do is break the lug nuts loose using our adapter and our quad lug wrench. Okay. Once you got all of them loosened, go ahead and jack up the car. All right, next thing, we're gonna go ahead and place the jack stand underneath. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the lug nuts and take the tire off. And then remove the wheel. Place it out of the way. Then we'll move on to the install. Okay, so now we're ready for the install. For our wheels, we have to take the lug nuts that come onto the adapter, take them off, and use them to actually hold them onto our hub. Just because of the rims that we have won't allow for a larger lug nut. All right, so next we're gonna line up the lugs so that the holes go straight on. Put on the mounting lug nuts. And remembering these are the 21mm nuts. Tighten them down by hand first before using the lug wrench. Next, take your 21mm lug wrench, place it on each one, start tightening them down. Then next, we're gonna remount the tire. Okay, next, once you have all the lugs lined up, go ahead and, if you need an adapter, take your adapter and start lining your nuts back up. All right, once those are fairly snug, go ahead and remove the jack stands and lower it down. All right, removing the jack stands. And then lower your vehicle. And lastly, go ahead and finish tightening up your lugs, making sure they're nice and snug. And there you have it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the 20mm billet aluminum hub-centric wheel spacers for the 1994 to 2014 Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.